Hello friends, welcome to Iice. This is Naresh Raj and today's discussion about software of the Arduino that is useful to the communicate between the laptop and this Arduino. First we will have to write a program on this Arduino microcontroller. Then we need a software that is a Arduino software, Arduino CC software. And now for this software we will go to website of this Arduino, and first we go to the browser of this our system and then search Google and types Arduino CC. And now when we click on the Arduino CC, and you will see that the link of the Arduino home. And now when you click on this Arduino home, then the page will be open such types. And now we want to get a software of this Arduino, then we click on the software and now go to the downloads. And when you see this is a window installer for Windows 7 and up, Windows zip files for non-admin host install. And now if we are using the desktop window based, and then we use the window version. And if we are using Linux, and then we can use the Linux software. And now we are using a Windows based system, then we install this window installer for Windows 7 and up. And now you will see this types page, and this is here you are seeing that. And if for remove this such types problems, now we click on the just download, and then now you are seeing that I have downloaded this. And now I will talk about how can we install this in this PC. And now see, we are seeing that the process of this installer has been start. And now you are seeing that this takes us some time. After some time this will be installed, and now the installation process has been start. And now we click on this agree, and now we click on the next. And this is a location of this software where we want to install this program. And now we click on the install, and the installation has been start, and this takes a few times. Now we will see that the task has been completed. And now we will close this, and now there will be a shortcut icon has been created on this our text display. And now we will click on this Arduino, and then we click on this, then there will be open a Arduino software. This takes us some times. There is open of Arduino software. And now you are seeing that this is a window of this Arduino software that we have installed in our system. And now we will discuss about the function of this and overview of this software. And now this is a file, and in this is a new open the sketchbook example. First in this, the important is the example. If we are writing any code to the control of the things, and if we are doing practices on the code, and we are new on this environment, then we can see example. And now if we are seeing that this is a example basic, and now if we want to see the code of this blink to the LED, and now here we are seeing that this is a program which is used for the blink the LED on this Arduino. And this is a verify symbol. With the help of verify we can compile our written code, and if there is an error, then this will be shown in this message image. If this is a message area, if we are writing anything something wrong in this program, and then we will verify, and then if in this any error, then this will be shown in this message in this image display. And now here you are seeing that I delete a delay from this main program, and now we are seeing that this is a window, message window, that we are seeing that. And now you see that what is the use of this verify. And now this is a upload, and when we connect our Arduino board with our desktop, laptop and our system, and if we click on this upload button, then this will compile our program and upload this program onto the Arduino board. And for this, connected to our system to the Arduino board, first we connect the Arduino board to the system with the help of USB cable. And now when we click on these tools and goes to the board Arduino, and now we will select the board that we are using in this our project, and now we are using the Arduino Uno. And now we click on the port. When now I am not connected to our Arduino to our system, that's why the port is disabled. And now if we connect our Arduino to our desktop, then the port will be enabled. And when we click on this, then port, and then we select a com, and then we can upload our program to the Arduino board. So friends, in this video you see that how can we download this Arduino CC software from this Arduino website, and how can we install this, and how can we used this, and discuss the environment of this software. And in this next video we will discuss about the simulator of this Arduino. Those students have no Arduino kit at this time, then they can their practice by the online simulator. Thank you.